This segment is sponsored by Blackhawk Plastic Surgery.
We're here in beautiful Blackhawk Plaza at Blackhawk Plastic Surgery to visit the office of Dr. Stephen Ronan. He's voted one of the top plastic surgeons in the country, and he's right here in your backyard in the Bay Area. Let's go meet him. So I'm here with Dr. Ronan. So doctor, we all know about CoolSculpting, the non-surgical fat reduction procedure. So what's the latest in the CoolSculpting world now?
Well, we just finished a study for CoolSculpting, and we're really excited to have the Cool Advantage applicators for our machines.
So Cool Advantage, what are the benefits of that?
Well, there's three big advantages. The first one is that it's about half the time, which our patients really love. There's less discomfort associated with the procedure, and it treats more tissue, so we're seeing better results.
Seeing better results with Cool Advantage.
Yes.
All right, so if somebody wants to learn more, how can they do that?
They can just come on in for a complimentary consultation. We'll check them out and see if it's a good procedure for them.
All right, thank you, doctor. Call the office at 925-736-5757 or just go to the website blackhawkplasticsurgery.com.